Menu secrets from our kitchen. Quick and easy menu application ideas from Upper Crust Enterprises. Add your own creative twist to develop a signature item only available in your restaurant. Remember, only Upper Crust Enterprises authentic Japanese panko with its unique, light and airy sliver-shaped crumb works best for these recipes. If you try these recipes with a competitor, the results will be disappointing. Potato croquettes, a fusion of Japanese and American favorites to create a unique crispy side dish that is great for breakfast, or can be menued as a snack. The light and crispy panko texture works well with the soft texture of the mashed potatoes. This recipe is easy and can be prepared in advance and stored in the refrigerator until ready to cook. First, set up your batter and breading station with Upper Crust authentic panko, prepared tempura batter mix made with water, and Upper Crust dry tempura batter mix. To make the croquettes, start with your favorite mashed potato recipe. A spicy or flavorful mashed potato works best, so we use garlic mashed potatoes for this recipe. Add some simple ingredients to the mashed potatoes, like diced ham, grated cheese, and parsley. Blend well. Using a scoop, measure out the potato mixture into 1 ounce portions. Then roll the mashed potato mixture into small log shapes. Now they are ready to coat. First, dust the potato logs in dry tempura batter mix. Then dip in prepared tempura batter mix. And finally roll in authentic Japanese panko. The coated potato logs can be pre-staged and stored in the refrigerator or freezer until ready to cook. When you are ready to cook, just deep fry until golden brown. Serve for breakfast with eggs or by themselves as a breakfast snack. The food cost for this menu item is approximately 38 cents per 4 ounce portion and should easily fit into your breakfast menu pricing. The quality of your panko will make a big difference in your recipes, so only use a good quality panko. Don't ruin your $10 meal to save a penny with a low-grade panko. Upper Crust Enterprises has been making authentic Japanese panko for over 30 years. Remember, not all panko is created equal. Use an authentic panko for the best results. Since panko is purchased by the pound but used by the cup, the density of the crumb matters. Our light, airy, sliver-shaped panko crumb provides a 26% better yield versus competitors. It will give your menu items a light, crispy texture, never hard, dense, or crunchy. Upper Crust panko and tempura batter mix are so versatile, once you start using them, you will find so many applications in your restaurant. Visit our recipe section on our website for more ideas. For additional product information and helpful tips, please go to our website at www.uppercrustent.com. Experience the flavor of life to its fullest, and thank you for your time.